let's do what's in my bag for heading to Aquinas College classes. The laptop. Then what's a laptop without its charger? Then I have a folder for all my important papers, 2 notebooks because I'm taking 3 classes this semester, so I have 1 notebook for all of my English classes, 1 notebook for my theology class. I have the current book we're reading in world literature and the current book we're reading in Toni Morrison. And then some more reading that I'm doing is just some personal reading. I also have my diary, pens and highlighters. Also important is a water bottle. Here's mine. Her name is Cassie. I have an umbrella. Attached to my backpack, I have a hand sanitizer. Also in my bag, I have my little change purse. This has my student ID in it and everything. Something else I have is I have a little bag of crystals, lip balm, another lifesaver. And I also bring around a little first aid kit. And then because I'm a nerd, I carry around a D20. Hand lotion. I have a tarot deck. I carry around gum a lot of times. And then yeah, this final thing I have sticky notes. So that's what's in my bag.